Santa Claus is coming to town.
Ho, 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 ho. Welcome to Pappy's Workshop, also known as the Blue Rose Bath and Body. You might be asking yourself, why is he wearing a Pappy Claus t-shirt? Well, this title was bestowed upon me by our two amazing grandbabies for being awesome, if I do say so myself. Seriously, Shannon and I are blessed to have become grandparents thrice over earlier this year, and we are looking to be blessed for a fourth time toward the end of December, around a special day or around another special day toward the end of the month, which is Shannon's birthday.
Rocking on top of the world, rocking on top of the world.
Yes, it is a wonderful and magical time of year here at the Blue Rose Bath and Body, aka Pappy's Workshop. Well, we're always busy creating new, amazing, wonderful, magical products for you guys, and we just want you to experience that as well. So we encourage you to be watching our website for that. We have some surprises for Black Friday and Cyber Monday that you should be aware of, just to let you know. Speaking of which, we are creating a new handmade soap release for the holidays, and I will be creating the top embed that goes on that soap today, and I wanted you to come along with me and see how I go about creating those. Alright, it's time for the head elf to create. But you know, Pappy gets extremely thirsty when he's making these products, so I got my trusty goblet here to help me when I get parched. I don't know who this guy is, but he looks kind of similar to Pappy Claus, but I have a way to go to reach this level of maturity. But this will suffice for now until I start looking like him, I guess. I'm not looking forward to that, but yeah, let's set this little guy over here in case I have a craving for some eggnog or hot cocoa, which is my personal favorite.
Ooh, we got it! Hey, we got it! Say, we got it!
Yeah, I am, however, a little disappointed in Shannon. She's supposed to set out some cookies to go with my boiled custard, eggnog, or hot cocoa. But she says that Pappy needs to watch his sugar intake, so we'll let her slide on that one.
I've gained 45 pounds in a week. Pete, what's happening to me?
Well, what's your diet like?
Milk and cookies? Really? But I don't finish all the milk.
Well, then there is your problem. Just try to cut back on the sweets, okay?
Pappy's not going to tell you what the name of these bars are quite yet. I like surprises, and I like surprising people with what I come up with and create. Shannon likes to surprise me what she comes up with and creates as well. Maybe you can guess what I'm creating. Leave your guesses in the comments below, and maybe we will send you a free product.
Everybody's getting something.
Everybody getting something.
Everybody's been naughty. Everybody's got flaws. If you've been crossed off Santa's list, here comes Santa Claus.
Of course, keep in mind that will depend upon your place on the naughty and nice list. Just be advised that Pappy goes over his thrice, okay? Unlike some other guy who only does it twice. We go a step above here at Pappy's Workshop, aka the Blue Rose Bath and Body. First of all, when you're starting to create, you got to gather all your supplies, all right? When you're starting to craft, you need to gather your materials, all right? So I have some jingle bells here and some faux leather cord. Got the tape measure. The trusty box cutter here again. And something to place your finished products in, because you don't want them just rolling all over the place, jingling all the way home.
It's trouble!
Off the table. So I'm going to have that ready. This looks just like our beagle that we adopted named Barney. So I chose that container to place the bets in. Alright, our little sleigh bells here. Get one of your bells. I've already measured this cord out, this faux leather cord. And I got these products at Hobby Lobby. I mentioned that before in several of our unboxing videos. So it's a little difficult threading it through here. Let's see. I measured this out before. You leave a little bit of length on one end, so you use that side to tie the knot. And make sure that's tight. You want them about the same length. And there you go. A little sleigh bell. Then you place it in your bucket. And to make sure they're the same length going forward, when I'm cutting these little straps, or strips I should say, I'll measure it out. And I got about 6 inches. And that's about the right size. And then I will be making my sleigh bells to go on top as embeds and on our soaps. So let me go ahead and time lapse this, so we'll move this along a little bit.
No one will be sleeping on the night of Christmas Eve, hoping Santa's on his way. When Santa's sleigh bells ring, I listen all around. The herald angels sing, I never hear a sound. And all the dreams of children once lost will not be found. That's all I want when Christmas comes to town. That's all I want when Christmas comes to town.
All right. Well, that wasn't such a chore, now was it? Hold on a minute. Make sure, yeah, nothing's on my beard. I got a little parts there. I had to get a little vibration for Pappy Claus.
I'm thirsty. I gotta get some punch.
Some libations for the fair maiden. Your wish is my command.
A little hard work there. All right, as you can see, I made quite a few little jingle bells to go on top. Oh, one got away from me. To go on top of our soap frostings, that is. A little special release bar coming for the holidays. I won't tell you the name of the bar. Like I said, I want you to put in your guesses in the comments, and hopefully we'll be giving away a free product for you guys. I had a few left over. They come 28 in a tube. Almost finished 2 tubes. I'll have to go back and get some more faux leather straps to finish these off. Probably make some more jingle bells. That's enough to get us started anyways. So I hope you guys enjoyed the creation of our little jingle bells. I did want to mention the reason we're making these little sleigh bells to go on top of our bars is so that you would have a little keepsake. After you could just pop them off when you get the bar at home, or leave them on if you collect soap bars. Either way, it does make a nice display during the holidays, or you could have a little keepsake. And from time to time, we like to do special little things like touches like this. Most of the time, all our piping is soap. There are a few soaps that we will be doing that have gemstones rose quartz, etc., things like that, onyx maybe, or birthstones. We might be doing some of those, but for now, we're doing a little sleigh bell so you can have a keepsake. So be watching for our next making of this bar. Like I said, I'm not going to give you the name, but it is coming soon, and you'll see how all of this comes together. All right, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.